For you tonight, a man charged with trespassing and possession of a gun on UNC's campus appeared in court this afternoon.
Ephriam Debisa appeared for a bond hearing today, but by the end of the hearing, there were requests to suppress information for other officers to get involved, and that hearing was eventually postponed to next month. We've reported on Debisa for the past few weeks as previous cases exposed a loophole in state law. That loophole allows people deemed incompetent to stand trial to be set free and have their charges dropped, even if they don't qualify for civil commitment. There have been calls for a special session, and now all eyes are on this newest case to see what happens to that suspect. Your reporter in Northern Colorado, Dylan Thomas, has been following this story for us and joins us live tonight.
So, Dylan, we know this is a complicated case, but what happened today in court?
This afternoon, Ephriam Debisa walked into this courthouse behind me shackled and in an orange Weld County jumpsuit, facing new charges. But you might recall just a matter of weeks ago, he was released on charges of attempted murder, charges which he was found incompetent to stand trial for. Now his case has made local and national headlines, something both his attorney and the Attorney General's office appear to have taken note of.
Monday, Ephriam Debisa was before a judge for a bond hearing on his latest arrest. Last week, when he was allegedly trespassing on the UNC campus with a firearm. You may recall, Debisa was released from jail and his attempted murder charge earlier this month against the wishes of the local prosecutor and the sheriff, after falling through a crack in the state law, which says those found incompetent to stand trial and also unable to receive civil commitment to mental health care must be released. Since our reporting started, there has been a concern from the sheriff, district attorney, and many in the community that Debisa is viewed as a threat to the community. His background includes accusations of attempted murder, armed robbery, and even a high-speed chase. But state law allowed him to be free. In an exclusive interview with CBS News Colorado from his jail cell, he told us he was innocent and being framed for political reasons. Well, Monday afternoon, his attorney asked the judge to suppress information in the case due to the national attention it has grabbed. And then suddenly, an attorney from the Colorado Attorney General's office unexpectedly asked to speak to the judge. In an otherwise uncommon move, the AG's office asked to get involved, requesting the courts to release competency evaluations of the past and future so they can evaluate what options are best for Debisa moving forward.
And it seems as if the judge wasn't expecting this move, asking that Attorney General's office representative to spell her name and even provide her her attorney number as well. We reached out to the AG's office asking why they're trying to get involved in this case now, and they wrote us back and said, quote, "No comment," end quote. Bond was kept at $1 million today, and they will be reconvening late next month for another hearing. Reporting live in Weld County, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
Dylan, thank you so much. Dylan, of course, you're a reporter in Northern Colorado. If you have a story, idea, or a tip for him, you can always get in touch by calling our tips line. You can email your reporter at cbs.com.